ready to make your eBay listings go viral and skyrocket your sales. In the fast-paced world of online selling, standing out is key. And what you might be calling vibration on eBay likely refers to mastering the art of viral marketing and leveraging listing variations to capture buyer attention and boost your sales. Let's dive into how you start achieving that buzz. First, let's talk about creating buzz. That's where viral marketing comes in. Think about what makes people share. It's often unique, valuable, or emotionally resonant content for eBay. This means making your listings incredibly shareable. Consider running limited promotions with a share-to-win element, or create engaging social media content that highlights your products with a clear call to action to visit your eBay store. Now, let's address listing variations. This is a powerful tool that many sellers overlook. If you're selling an item that comes in different sizes, colors, or styles, use the variations feature. This keeps all similar items consolidated under one listing, making it easier for buyers to find exactly what they want and can significantly improve your visibility as a one-stop shop. To implement variations effectively, ensure you fill out all the details accurately for each option, including distinct images for each variation where possible. This adds clarity and professionalism to your listing. By combining smart, shareable marketing tactics with meticulous listing variations, you're not just selling products. You're building a brand and a loyal customer base. Experiment with different promotional strategies and analyze what resonates most with your audience. Remember to always optimize your titles and descriptions with relevant keywords that potential buyers are searching for. This ensures your high-quality, variation-rich listings are easily discoverable. Master these eBay marketing strategies, and you'll be well on your way to making your listings truly vibrate with success.